Okay, hello again. It is now October the 10th, Thursday, day 3. Changing plans. We had a front move through. Got cold overnight, a little moisture in the air. The Milo we were cutting yesterday was just on the borderline on a hot day of being too wet, but they were taking it to the elevator. So we cut until we broke down. Today, I am helping the son of the guy I was helping, and today we're cutting corn, taking out 8 rows at a time. And some of it has gone down, so we got to creep along right on the ground to try to pick up and get as much of it in the bin as possible. This is a dry corn. Earlier this fall, some of the farmers would have cut wet corn for the feedlots, but this has gone and is dry, running about 16% moisture. They'll take it up to 18 at the elevator, so we're good to go. So we're going to go. Only going to cut till about 4 o'clock this afternoon because I got to go back to my regular job tonight. So just thought I'd give you a heads up what's going on. Okay, had to come to a stop. I'm full, grain cart's full. Truck just now got back, so I gotta wait for him to unload the grain cart onto the truck and then come take what I've got. In this cornfield, we're in amongst these wind towers. None in this field, but they go right along the north edge of it. It's about 40 degrees. It was about 80 yesterday and 40 today. A cold front went through. Supposed to snow tonight, get down to 25, and then warm back up to 50 tomorrow. And then 60s over the weekend. So like I said, the corn isn't affected by the cold like the Milo is on moisture. Once it gets down to where it's going to be, it stays pretty much there. A couple other crops that are about due to harvest around here are sunflowers and cotton. I've never harvested either of those. But those are 2 other crops that are coming in at this time here in the fall, along with the soybeans, Milo, and corn that you've seen me harvest over the past 3 days. And sometimes you just jump around and cut what you do. And there's still a lot of farmers, including the one I worked for the past 2 days, still has winter wheat to put in. So that's when they need extra people when they can find them, so they can be doing multiple things at a time. But just to give you an idea, it's kind of, as some people put, it's good hoodie weather. It's like I said, 40 degrees, 20 mile an hour wind in this nice cab out of the wind. It's pretty enjoyable sitting here in my hoodie. So with that, I'll let you go again. Guess I need to explain, this is actually another separate, smaller wind farm. The other one where I was working the other day is actually west of where I'm at now, and it has 65 towers or wind towers in it. This one is a very small one, especially around here. It only has 10 towers. Actually, it was put in by the city of Greensburg. Theoretically, it generates enough electricity for these 10 towers for their entire community.